Activating notifications on Acorns is a straightforward process that helps you stay updated on your investments. Follow these steps to enable notifications quickly. Step 1. Open the Acorns app. Launch the Acorns app on your mobile device. Ensure you are logged into your account to access all features. Step 2. Access account settings. Navigate to the account settings by tapping on the profile icon or the menu option, usually located in the top corner of the app. Step 3. Find notification settings. Scroll through the settings menu until you find the notification section. This is where you can manage your notification preferences. Step 4. Enable notifications. Toggle the switch to enable notifications. You may have options for different types of alerts such as investment updates, account activity, or educational content. Step 5. Customize notification preferences. Review and customize your notification preferences according to your needs. You can select which types of notifications you want to receive and how you want to be notified, e.g. push notifications, email. By following these steps, you can easily activate and customize notifications on Acorns. Staying informed about your investments can help you make better financial decisions.